Let's be honest, setting financial goals sounds like something your boring uncle talks about at dinner while everyone else is just trying to eat potatoes in peace. But hear me out. What if I told you setting a smart financial goal for 2025 could help you buy that overpriced coffee guilt-free or finally move out of your mom's basement? Tempting, right? Let's break it down. No fluff, no guru talk, just the real stuff with a side of sarcasm. We're talking smart goals, not manifesting abundance or writing your dreams on a sticky note hoping Jeff Bezos vibes them into reality. SMART is an acronym. Yep, another one. But this one's actually useful. SMART stand for specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, time-bound, or as I call it, the stop winging it and get your life together formula. 1. Specific, what do you actually want? Let's say your goal is, I want more money. Cool, me too. So does literally everyone. That's not a goal, that's a wish. A vague, broke-sounding wish. Specific means laser focus, like, I want to save $5,000 for an emergency fund by the end of 2025. Boom. Now we're talking. You gave your goal a purpose, a number, and even a name. It's not just money. It's emergency money for when life decides to throw you a surprise bill like it's Oprah handing out problems. 2. Measurable. How will you know if you're getting richer or just delusional? You gotta be able to track it. Like, if your goal is to spend less, what does that even mean? Less than what? Yesterday? Last year? Your neighbor? Say instead, I'll save $416 every month to hit $5,000 in a year. Now you can look at your bank account and say, am I crushing it or just buying stuff I don't need again? Because guess what? If you can't measure it, you can't improve it, or brag about it later. 3. Achievable. Look, I love ambition, but if your current job pays $12 for an hour and your goal is to buy a Lamborghini next summer, that's not a goal. That's a hallucination. Achievable means, is this actually doable with the resources and time I have? So if saving $5,000 feels like trying to climb Mount Everest in flip-flops, you maybe try $2,000 first. Build the habit, flex those saving muscles, dream big, but also, not delusional. 4. Realistic. Are you even being honest with yourself? This one hurts, because we all think we're superheroes. But if your plan requires 0 slip-ups, no unexpected expenses, and perfect discipline for 365 days, you're not setting a goal. You're writing fan fiction. Realistic means understanding your life. Do you spend money on dumb stuff sometimes? Cool. Plan for it. Do holidays and random pizza cravings exist? Yes. Plan for those too. Make your goals fit your actual lifestyle, not the fantasy version where you wake up at 5 a.m. and eat kale. 5. Time-bound. Set deadlines. Humans are procrastinators by nature. If you say, I'll save money someday, congratulations, you've guaranteed it'll never happen. A goal without a deadline is like a diet that starts next Monday. You know it's a lie. So put a date on it. I'll save $5,000 by December 31st, 2025. Now the clock's ticking. There's pressure, there's accountability. There's a reason to stop impulse buying anime merch at 2 a.m. So instead of the vague nonsense you started with, you've now got, I will save $5,000 by December 31st, 2025 by putting aside $417 every month, and I'll track my progress monthly to stay on target. That, my friend, is a SMART goal. It's clear, trackable, and doesn't involve any magical thinking or NFTs. Bonus tip. Make it automatic. You're lazy. Admit it. Set up auto transfers. Seriously. If you have to manually move money every month, you'll forget by February and end up broke and confused. Automate your savings like your future depends on it. Because, spoiler alert, it kinda does. We all know we all have goldfish brains, so recap time. Be specific. Know exactly what you want. Make it measurable. Track your progress. Keep it achievable. Don't aim for the moon if you can't afford a ladder. Stay realistic. Account for your humanness. Make it time-bound. Deadlines make dreams real. Setting SMART goals doesn't make you a finance nerd. It makes you a functioning adult, which is even rarer these days. Now, you could ignore everything I just said and continue vibing through life with $3 in your bank account and a dream. Or, you could actually try this SMART goal thing. Look, I'm not saying it'll turn you into a millionaire overnight. This isn't Hogwarts, but it will make your money stop ghosting you every month. Just set one solid SMART goal for 2025. 1, not 10, not 50. Start with something your brain won't immediately reject. And hey, if the future you isn't proud of you by December, At least you're doing better than the people who keep saying, "I'll start tomorrow." All right, now stop scrolling, open your Notes app, or better, your bank app, and get started. And remember, your future wallet is watching. Don't let it down.